Hi, this is Adam from Frost Van Centre, Newcastle. Today we are showcasing some of our Land Rover Defender stock. These are the original Defenders, the last of the real Defenders, as some would say. Real hardy vehicles made for any terrain in this world, with some fantastic customised options that we can see on this beautiful grey top specification example. Finished in the ever popular metallic grey. Black features throughout, really complement the paintwork. This is the 110 example. And presented in beautiful condition throughout. A very, very handsome, imposing looking vehicle. Suitable for the field or Kensington High Street. Show you some of the beautiful additions that this one is showcasing. Fins, bull bar, headlight grills, gloss black alloys, sidebars, a full roof rack, spare wheel, rear light guards, to name but a few. Let me show you inside. Very high specification model. We have heated screens, air conditioning, heated front seats, 6-speed gearbox. This is a 2013 model. Very, very nice condition throughout. Defender mats to the rear. Faultless seats and upholstery in the rear. The load area. Again, presented in very, very good condition. Certainly has been a cared for example. A true investment piece. These things are only going one way and will continue to do so. I hope you found the video informative and interesting. If you have any particular questions about this specific vehicle or anything else that we may have in stock, you can call us on 0191 215 9777. We'll always deal with one of the Frost family, either myself, Adam, or my father, Greg. We've been in business for 35 years. We have a sterling reputation for customer service and supplying premium examples of whether commercial vehicles or 4x4s. You can also visit our website, which is www.frostvancentre.co.uk. Thank you.